In today's DIY makeover, viewers will learn how to transform a plain door, whether it's metal, MDF, or hollow core, into the warm look of real wood using just paint and a few specialty tools. It's an affordable way to add charm and character without replacing the door. To begin, gather the following: a base coat paint in a light tan or beige, a gel stain or faux wood finish glaze, a wood grain rocker tool, painter's tape, foam brushes, and a lint-free rag. These tools will help simulate the depth and variation of real wood. Start by removing or taping off hardware. Clean the door thoroughly to remove any dust or oils. Lightly sand glossy surfaces to help paint stick, then wipe down with a tack cloth. For best results, work with the door laying flat on sawhorses. Apply a solid base coat using a roller or brush. This color acts as the background wood tone, commonly a warm beige or pale tan. Allow it to dry completely before moving to the next step, usually 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Next, apply a layer of gel stain or faux finish glaze. Work in small sections, brushing it on evenly. While it's still wet, use a dry rag to dab and soften any harsh spots. This begins the wood grain effect. While the glaze is still wet, run the wood grain rocker across the surface in long, controlled strokes. Gently rock the tool back and forth to mimic knots and waves found in real wood. Vary the motion slightly to avoid a repetitive, mechanical look. For panels or trim areas, switch to a graining comb or use the corner of the rocker to get into tight spots. Use a sponge or soft brush to blend any seams or overly dark lines. If needed, apply another thin layer of glaze and repeat the process until the door has a consistent, natural appearance. Once the grain pattern is dry, usually after 24 hours, apply a clear polyurethane top coat to protect the finish. Choose satin or semi-gloss for a realistic sheen. This step enhances durability, especially for doors in high-traffic areas. And that's it! From flat and lifeless to rich and wood-toned, this faux grain technique is a game-changer. Whether updating interior doors, closet panels, or even a garage entrance, it's an easy way to bring warmth and texture into any space. For more paint and paneling tutorials, subscribe and explore the full DIY transformation playlist. This DIY project is something that you can do yourself, but remember that your local Door-A-New crew can take care of it for you. Visit our website and find a location near you today.